Now, this is how you can turn on the transparency mode on your AirPods Max. Let's get started. So it is basically pretty simple to do. You just want to ensure that your iPhone has the Bluetooth turned on. Then obviously you are paired and connected and everything. And once you do that, what you can do is to either use the side button on the AirPods Max, like the longer one, which switches in between like the different modes, and you will hear switching it between the turn off mode, then noise canceling, and the transparency. And when you get in between these modes, like you will eventually, as I said, get to the transparency and you're going to be good to go, right? But another possibility is to swipe down to access the control center and ensure that the music output is set to the AirPods, because even though you might have the AirPods Max paired and connected, the output might be changed or turned to the phone speakers or Apple TV or anything else. So in the music widget, ensure that the AirPlay like output is set to the AirPods Max. Then move over to the music or volume slider, hold down on it, and you'll then be able to switch in between the different modes, right? So again, we have the turn off, transparency, and a noise cancellation. Similarly, inside of the settings, in Bluetooth and tapping on the information icon next to the AirPods, you can also find the same settings, the same three options again. So it is quite literally up to you to decide which method you will use, but it is pretty simple to enable transparency mode on the AirPods Max. Anyways, that's it from me. Hopefully you found a way to do this. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you and subscribe so you will never miss future tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching.